Hi there, I'm Anthony Stears, also known as the Telephone Assassin. I just wanted to record a little video for anybody who is thinking about going on the workshop run by Susan Armstrong. I did the workshop a couple of weeks back. I've done training for a long time. I've always got really good reviews, get rated as a really good trainer, but things have changed in the last couple of weeks. I typically have always done my workshops in the same way. I now custom build my workshops for all of my clients. They're not that different, but they are different enough for it to be making a difference. I've just got some more feedback from another client who I spent the day with yesterday, and he described the feedback from his team as being gushing emails, basically saying how wonderful I am. He used 3 verys when he told me how great they thought it was, and I have to say, I think this is all down to this workshop, and what Sue's really taught me is not just the fact of how to be a good subject matter expert and be able to share this stuff, but actually how to get people to learn it and embrace it and change their actions as a result. So if you're thinking about going on Sue's workshop, it is worth every penny and more. I would highly recommend it. And I don't know if it's coincidence, but I've had a record month last month, and it's pretty much all training rather than the speaking and the coaching. And I think that's down to the time I've spent with Sue. So thank you very much, Sue, and good luck to anybody who's thinking on going that workshop. It will make a massive difference. Take care. Bye-bye.